Good morning, good morning. It is Darlene B, and thank you for coming in and watching. I'm doing my first live today. Never done one before, but today we will be making garlicky parsley spicy shrimp. So come on, come and watch. Come and watch and learn how to do it, all right? All right. So, like I said, my name is Darlene B, also known as Chef Darlene B, and today I wanted to bring you a simple, easy and simple dish that you can add, because I know everyone's going to be either they started to be really busy this week or they're going to be extremely busy next week with the kids. So I wanted to make something that you can add to your repertoire of foods and dishes, and that's really simple and easy to make. So like I said, we're making garlicky parsleyed spicy shrimp today, okay? So I'm gonna start off with, I have my cast iron pan over here, and it's been heating and it's hot and I don't want to burn myself. So we're gonna put in butter. We want to do some butter. I don't know about you, but I really love a wooden spoon. I don't know if it's nostalgia or something, but I'm gonna use this one, all right? So we're gonna put in our butter, and it's sizzling already, all right? We're gonna let that melt, okay? And then we wanna also add, we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. And I will have the recipe for you, not today, but I will have the recipe for you on chefdarleneb.com. You can go to www.chefdarleneb.com. And if you want to make sure that you don't ever miss a recipe, you can sign up and you get the notifications and get the information. Again, it is chefdarleneb.com. All right, so we have our butter and our oil, and that is melted. So we want to go with our garlic, and we're using quite a bit of garlic because garlic is the first thing. So it's garlicky parsley shrimp, right? So we have our garlic. We're gonna crush the garlic first. We want to mash it, all right? And we're gonna do that. How's everyone doing today? Let me know how you're doing today. All right. I would love to know your comments. All right. It is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful morning. The sun is shining. Doesn't look like there's clouds in the sky. And you want to spend most of your time while we still have these beautiful days. At least it's beautiful here. While we have these beautiful days, you want to spend most of your time outside, right? You don't want to spend it inside cooking. Hello.
Michelle.
Pardon?
Michelle.
What's up, Michelle? How you doing? We're making garlicky parsleyed spicy shrimp today. And we're gonna put I have some butter and I have olive oil in the pan. Did I tell you I don't like my hands dirty? So I'm gonna do it this. This might not be the most conventional way, but I'm gonna do it this way. don't forget to share and to like this video, all right? So we have the garlic going, and I'm going to chop some parsley really quickly because I don't want the garlic to burn while I have it in the pan. What are you saying?
Good.
Huh?
Michelle's good.
Michelle's good? You're good, Michelle? Looking forward to going out? I wanted to make this video so you have, I know we were talking about doing more protein-rich foods, right? So I wanted to come on and make something that's more protein, because I know I need more protein in my life, and I think most people do too as well. So, all right, so we have this in there, and I have my peeled and deveined shrimp already, okay? Putting that in the pan, and then we're gonna put our shrimp in there. We have the peeled and deveined shrimp already, okay? I love a cast iron skillet because it cooks evenly. And you don't have to worry about the toxins that are on a lot of the pans, the Teflon pans and things. All right, so we have it in there. I'm gonna turn it up, all right? I wanna turn up the fire, all right? I'm gonna put this parsley in this bowl because we want to get it out of the way. All right, you hear it? Hear it doing its thing? Let me show you. See? They're not pink yet though, because we want it pink, right? To know that they are cooked. All right, so while they're doing that, I'm trying to wipe down a little, okay? I have in here a spice mixture, all right? So the spice mixture is, we have cayenne pepper because we want it spicy, right? We want to keep it spicy. And we have a little bit of Italian seasoning. We have garlic powder, onion powder, Cajun seasoning, and we have paprika. All right, and then we can't, of course, we need the salt and pepper, right? So we do the salt and pepper. So we got our salt, right? And then we're gonna do some pepper. I think this is a little too fine, so I'm gonna make it a little coarser. All right, we got our pepper. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. All right, so I'm gonna put the spice seasoning in. Should I comment to anybody? Is anybody? No? If you have any questions, ask me. This is the time. Ask me. And I will do my best to respond. It is like fire. All right. So, love a tong. I'm gonna turn, I'll show you guys. All right, I'm gonna turn the shrimp over, all right? And I'm going to turn it down, just a little. because it is cooking. And then I have a bonus for you guys after to show you how I'm gonna serve it, okay? So we wanna kind of mix it up a little bit, right? I'm gonna pour a little bit more of the olive oil in there. All right. A little bit more, okay? And then, so the shrimp is almost done. And I want to clean this up. All right. So the shrimp is almost done. Like I said, we're gonna mix it all up because we want to make sure that every single shrimp has all of the spicy goodness and seasonings on it. Okay. And then last but not least, isn't that quick? Wasn't that quick? All right. Last but not least, we are going to put some lemon juice. Is this lemon? All right, there we go. There we go. We kiss it with some lemon. All right. And there you guys have it. That is our garlicky parsley spicy shrimp for today. Let me give you a picture. All right. For the camera.
Why lemon juice?
Why lemon juice? Well, citrus always goes well with seafood, right? You usually drizzle lemon over seafood, and I think that lemon gives it like this extra pop. So when I was doing the recipe, I didn't have lemon juice before, and I was like, you know what? It needs something. It needs something to elevate it. And so I added the lemon juice, and it really brought it together. So that's why I chose lemon juice. But you can also use, if you don't want lemon juice, which is fine, you can also add white wine to it, right? You could add white wine to it. And for me, like I said, I'm trying to, you know, sometimes cut down the carbs. So I'm gonna do this over something different rather than over pasta, but you can definitely do this over pasta. So I have the bonus, but you have to give me like 2 minutes. Can you give me 2 minutes?
She likes the white wine idea.
You like the white wine idea? Okay, that's fine. Or you can do both. But see, this is the great thing about cooking. You take the basics and then you make it your own, right? You do your own thing. So have fun with it. If you want white wine, if you want red wine, I don't know, but I'm just saying, like, you can do whatever you want. All right. So are you willing to give me like 3 minutes?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, give me 3 minutes. I'll be right back because I have a bonus. All right. I can still hear your questions. All right. So this is my bonus. Instead of serving the shrimp over a nice bed of pasta, we can do a nice little bed of spaghetti squash. And what I have, so I roasted the spaghetti squash and it's hot. I think you can see the steam. And then I put salt, pepper, olive oil, and to top it off, I put a little bit of Parmesan cheese and butter, okay? So we kind of get the spaghetti out of the spaghetti squash, okay? and you have your bed. So we have our bed, and then what we do is, because this is hot, and didn't bring back the other one. All right, so what we do is we pour our shrimp over the top, right? And then we want to get the juices in there, right? Last one. All right, so here you guys have it. This is the final. So we have our garlicky parsleyed shrimp, okay, over our bed of Parmesan spaghetti squash. All right, think you can see it? Can you see it? All right. So this is the simple dish that I wanted to bring to you today, right? Again, if you like this, be sure that you share it and you like it for me. And if you want to get the recipe, like I said, it's not up there right now, but it should be by the end of the week. If you want to get the recipe, make sure that you go to www.chefdarleneb.com. And also, if you want to get other recipes and other information, make sure that you sign up, okay? All right, any other questions? Anything you want to know before I go? All right, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Oh, also, I'm going to start doing these every Saturday morning. So we're doing our own Saturday morning cooking show. And, but for the next 2 weeks, I won't be able to do it. So the third Saturday after this, I'll be back, okay? And we're doing a 10:30 show, all right? So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you try this. And if you try it, let me know. Let me know how it turns out. Let me know how you like it. And I'll see you next time, all right? Talk to you later. Bye. Thanks for watching.